बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। रब्बी श्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिनल लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। My Lord, open my heart and make my task easy for me. Loosen the knot in my tongue so that they may understand my speech. Why every teacher should speak English? Teachers development and confidence building session. Opening thoughts. If English teacher can speak English, if Urdu teacher can speak English, then why can't we? English is not a subject. English is a skill. Skill grows the practice. Confidence matters more than perfection. Why English matters today? Because of global communication, professional growth, competitive exams and interviews, digital and online learning environments. And I share with you my experience of Umrah, and I feel English is very helpful in my tour of Umrah when we feel problem on airport, in hospital or otherwise in everywhere. When we talk in English, I have a good reply and I feel confidence. So that I want to share and I want to say every teacher, please, as a skill, English, groom your English. Teachers are a role model. Students copy teachers. Classroom language shape mindset. Confidence is contagious. Common fears among teachers. My grammar is weak. My pronunciation is not perfect. Students may laugh. I am too old to learn. Reality check. Fluency is not perfection. Mistakes are part of growth. Practice builds confidence. We can't accept students to speak English if we are afraid to speak it ourselves. Start small, think big. Begin with greetings. Use simple instructions. Speak short sentences. Mix Urdu, English if needed. Simple classroom English. Stand up. Go to the board. Write your name. Raise your name. Sit down. Take out your book. Open your book. Raise your hand. Close your book. Put away your book. As a Urdu teacher, I practice in my class in front of my students daily 3-minute talk. I strictly say my students, please talk in English with mistakes, but speak in English. 5-minute reading aloud, 5-minute speaking practice, and then record and improve pronunciation. 30-day English challenge. I have 1 day English challenge. I give myself. Today I speak in English with everyone and I gain confidence. So that I say, please speak in English. English is not a subject. English is a skill. Week 1, greetings in English. Good morning. Thank you. Week 2, instructions in English. Open your books. Close your books. Write on your notebooks. Week 3, short explanation. Yes, I am a teacher in Urdu, but I explain sometimes in English. I say something which students are not understanding in Urdu. I translate in English. Fail, verb. Fail is a verb. I say my students tashbih, similarity, and I feel my students understanding level is up. Week 4, 5-minute discussion daily. I discuss my students many topics in English. I say my student, please come on the stage and give your views about the topic of the day in English, so that we can overcome our this problem and make our environment a professional environment. Benefits for teacher: myself, improved confidence, professional image, better communication skills, career advancement opportunities. Benefits for students: increased confidence, reduce fear of English, better communication skills, improve academic performance. Modern classroom environment. English speaking classroom create active participation, positive learning culture, global mindset. Mindset shifted. Don't say, I cannot speak English. Say, I am learning to speak English. I am learning to speak English. Mistakes, a growth mindset and fixed mindset. Growth mindset says, mistakes help me learn. I improve with practice. Feedback is valuable. Is this my best work? I won't give up. And fixed mindset says, I know best. This is good enough. I give up. I'll never be that smart. I want to avoid mistakes. Leadership in education. Teachers are nation builders. Self improvement leads to students' improvement. Motivational reflection. Confidence grows when we start. Small steps create big change. उस्ताद की मिसाल एक चिराग की तरह होती है जो दूसरों को रोशनी देने के लिए खुद को जलाता है. Commitments today. Let's promise today. We will start speaking. We will not fear mistakes. We will grow together. Inshallah. Thank you. Let's begin today. Speak confidently. Inspire students. Build your self-esteem through your connection. Build your self-esteem through your connection to Allah. Allah will never let you down. Thank you.